Hello guys, this is Mr. Ibrahim the trader of Gova Trading Academy. So guys, this was the prediction I made last year, 2022, April 14th. And you can see guys, back then, the academy was still named as Forex Pro Trading Academy. As you can see our logo before here, which is Forex Pro Trading Academy. All right, so this analysis was made last year before we change our academy name to Gova Trading Academy, okay? So on gold, you can see this is gold, right? You can see this is gold. And you can see that this is the H8 time frame. This is the 8-hour time frame here, as you can see. You can see that's the 8-hour time frame. So, and you can see the prediction that I made last year, which I said gold price must sell around this area. It must sell. You can see I have the 100% certainty that markets must sell when price gets to that level last year. So market price came back this year, March 2023, and the market dropped down massively on gold, just like I predicted. So order flow trading is all about predicting market turning points ahead of time, even before it happens, with 100% deadly accuracy, okay? Because the order flow trading I'm talking about is not the order flow it is not the order flow trading that you know as retail trader, because I was directly mentored by an ex-bank trader who happens to trade for JP Morgan Bank for over 25 years. So my mentor is Sam Sidin, all right? So I learned it from him years ago, how to predict the market turning points with a deadly accuracy, okay? So the teaching and the lesson, the course, whatever you are going to learn from Gova Trading Academy is going to be from the big banks trading perspective. That is, I'm going to be teaching you how banks trade. You understand? So that you are going to beat the retail nonsense of how retail traders are trading. Because the way retail traders are trading, they are trading against the big banks. So, and if you are trading against the big players in the market, you are bound to lose. You are bound to lose. And in order flow trading, in this pro course, you don't analyze the market and pray to God that your trade should work out. No, that is not what we do here. What we do here is a rule-based trading. In the professional course, what we do is a rule-based trading. You understand? It is based on rules and regulations of how banks usually trade. So this rules and regulation is not my own rules and regulation. It is the rules of how the market works naturally, which I was taught by my mentor, Sam Sidin. Okay. So this is different from what you know completely. Now, this is the before of the analysis I did on gold last year. You can see how I highlighted my zone here. So I said price is going to come back into the area here and drop down, right? So, and look at it this year. Let's go back to the main chart. You can see this is an old picture of my screenshot that I made on this analysis. So this was last year's analysis. Market price came back this year. Let's go to the main chart, to the active chart. So you can see this is right now, this is my chart now. This is a live chart. Okay, as you can see, that's my broker IC market. You can also see that this is the H8 time frame. So this is my broker IC market. This is a live chart, okay? So going back to the live chart now, I believe you guys can see that this is the H8 time frame now. And I believe you can see that that is the similar area we have. Remember the before result, the screenshot, my old screenshot that I took last year, 2022, April. Remember I told you guys that market price is going to drop around here on gold, right? And Market price didn't come back to the zone exactly quickly as I said it is going to come back. You understand? But my prediction was that market must come back into that zone no matter what. Why? Why? Because I know that big banks are having their uncompleted transaction here. Banks are having their uncompleted transaction here. So they must come back and fill it up. They must come back to finish up their transaction, which they were not able to complete. You understand? So they must come back to complete the transaction, and which they did. They did. You can see. Let me go a little bit further into the new year. You can see right now I'm trying to scroll all the way back to the right, but I believe you guys can see that this is the before result here. So now let me show you the after of what happened after. So now let me scroll. As I scroll to the right, you guys should start seeing how price came back to the zone into my proximal line. Can you see? You see market price came back to the zone here exactly. You see market price came back to the zone exactly in that area. When market came back to that area exactly, you can see we saw a push, market price push and sold down massively from that area. So you can you see the sell, guys? Can you see the sell? So that is massive, guys. That is massive prediction. It is not easy to be able to predict the market turning points in advance like this before it happens. So you can see the reward here is about, this is about $1,500, 1,500 pips drop in the market. So this is about 1,520 pips. This is 1,520 23 pips. Okay. This is 1,523 pips drop in the market. So that is massive. Okay, that is massive. So what if I decide to switch to a high time frame like H12 so that you guys can see the bigger picture a little bit more quickly. So you can see market came back. Remember, this was my zone before. My zone was here before last year. See how market came back into the area in the new year, and then market is currently dropping. Can you see that? So that is massive prediction. So last year, this was the zone last year predicted. Market came back 2023 and dropped down massively in 2023. So that is it, guys. Have a nice day. If you want to join my professional course, just send me a DM and then I'm going to send you the details of the course. All right. So the course, I usually teach the course via Zoom meeting every Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay. So, and it is a lifetime access course. I won't rush you whenever I'm teaching you. I teach you according to your own pace because I understand that we have slow learners and we also have fast learners. So I teach you according to how you are able to understand whether you are a slow learner or whether you are a fast learner. So send me a DM to know about the course and then join the professional course. Okay, this is not the same course that you guys are used to. Okay, this is a different course entirely from what the retail traders are used to. So this is an institutional trading course. All right, guys. So this is Ibrahim, the trader of Gova Trading Academy. Have a nice day, guys.